Good afternoon, everybody. Last couple of days, old Bella here. Bella and I have been hauling up our winter's wood for the year. Starting to get quite a jag of wood up here. My best friend has got pretty good sized woods and tells me I can have everything that's on the ground or dead. We never cut down a live tree. Mother Nature sees to it that we've got the wood that we need. We leave all the trees standing. It's really beautiful woods. But old Bella here, she's reliable. She's a good girl. She helps me out. So y'all have a great day, and we'll see you around, and be safe out there, no matter what you're doing. Thank you. Bye.